At MC Collision, we believe every car is a temple, a reflection of our inner world. Our skilled team takes pride in being the sanctuary for your vehicle, mending damages and accidents with precision and artistry. At MC Collision, it's not just about mechanics, it's about understanding the unique needs of each car, ensuring it regains its true power and confidently shines on the avenue once more. Strive to reveal the full potential of every vehicle. Step into the world of MC Collision, where automotive excellence meets unparalleled dedication. We see your car as more than just a machine. It's a testament to your style and identity. Our skilled artisans go beyond the surface, delving into the intricacies of your vehicle's design to ensure that every detail aligns with your vision. Our commitment extends beyond repairs. It's a commitment to understanding the soul of your car. We specialize in the fusion of mechanics and artistry, restoring your vehicle not just to its former glory, but elevating it to new heights of performance and aesthetics. Let us redefine your driving experience and showcase your car as a true masterpiece on the roads, embodying the essence of our dedication to automotive excellence.